الله وبركاته. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: من دعا إلى هدى كان له من الأجر مثل أجور من تبعه لا ينقص ذلك من أجورهم شيئا ومن دعا إلى ضلالة كان عليه من الإثم مثل آثام من تبعه لا ينقص ذلك من أجورهم شيئا. Prophet ﷺ said, whoever calls someone to the path of Hidayah, right path, then he received the reward similar to that of one who was called and followed the reward. It's similar to those who answered him, without that diminishing anything from later sins.
يرحم صغيرنا ويغرف حق كبيرنا فليس منا.
One who does not respect the youngers and doesn't realize the right of the elders doesn't belong to us.
Inna Allah harram alaykum kukal ummahat.
Allah has forbidden you from disobeying your mothers.
Inna Allah la yanzuru ila suwarikum wa amwalikum walakin yanzuru ila qulubikum wa a'malikum.
Allah does not look onto your physical appearance or your wealth, but your heart and your deeds. Assalamu alaikum.
Shukran.